All right. Autonomous in match 47. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my goodness. It's fast and it's paced. Are y'all supposed to be moving? They dropped. Okay. Drivers in 3, 2, 1, go. If you're driving, there must have been a hookup. I don't know why 2587. It has not moved. You can check it. You can touch it. So there was no autonomous in that. So right now, blue is trying to get 10 points. Oh, so close, trying to get rid of that one. Trying to shake it, shake it, shake it. There, they got 10 points. Way to go, blue. Awesome. Again, he's happy to be here. Yay. It gives him the lead, though. So now we have both red ones now moving. 2587X quickly moving a red mobile base into the 20. And they get it in there. 40 seconds left to go. I'm not sure that's legal because you picked up 2 at one time, but you know. In the meantime, 2587X has scored a second mobile goal for red, giving them the lead. Here comes a third one for red. 16 seconds to go. There's a third for red. Six seconds to go. Red with a lead. Blue has stacked all by themselves a 9850F. Nice job.